So this is the prefab modular liner pool which I'm showing you, and this is a small pool. In this we have a bag filter which we are talking about. I'll show you where is the bag filter and where is the skimmer. तुम इसको हटाओ जरा. So this is a kind of a skimmer, and these are the inlet jets where we are taking the water into the pool. So we remove this cover, and you will see this is a bag filter. So when we take it out, just take it out. So entire impurities got this thing and just clean in the plain water. So this is as simple as this. You don't need any big filtration thing or something like that. Even the chlorine tablet are being fed into this thing. So just clean this entire bag filter with the water, plain water, with a pressurized thing, and ये पूरा का पूरा filter clean हो जाता है. अभी जो दूसरी चीज़ मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ,